Today we will dwell into the sound, how the land sings to us and how we communicate with the land, how the world is filled with ley lines and they have been called in different names. For example, dragon lines, the singing lines, the roads of the ancients, the tracks of the land, etc. The Aborigines in Australia, they had this tribal setup for their living, that a young person was sent on a journey where they had to find their own tribe who followed the same song line as they were following. And they started traveling, and probably they sang to the nature, they sang to the surroundings, and they trusted their gut feeling to actually end up with other same-minded persons of the tribe. The same principles have also been taught in many esoteric traditions about the times of Atlantis, the civilization of Egypt, and even the Finno-Ugric peoples like the Finns and Estonians. We have our singing traditions and the occult or esoteric way of using the sound and the vowels to manipulate the reality. For example, in the times of Atlantis and in Egypt, the people were put into different segments or classes that corresponded to different elements: fire, air, water, and earth. And they were taught the specific science, the specific coloring related to their elements, and they had a obligation to spend their lives in the same class with people who were in the same class, because such segmentation helped them to create a strong vibrational boundaries and manipulate the reality. But the same manipulation goes back to the frequency, as I have told in other videos, that everything is sound.